Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is February the 17th. I am out here in the beautiful city of Buckhead, Atlanta. Actually, I just thought about something. I did the luxury apartment Friday, and they told me to keep the... Oh, you know what? I forgot to get the key out the other truck. I just thought about that. The key is in the other truck, and I got my guy Tavares cleaning that truck out. So anyway, I'm out here in Buckhead. This is not my job, but I'm assisting one of my colleagues who are trying to get into the wood floor maintenance, and this is their first screen and recoat. So I'm out here with the owner, Megan, and also one of her technicians, Rodney. This is a screen and recoat. I'm going to be going with a matte finish. Phones have been ringing off the hook this morning, and it's like 11 o'clock. I've already booked like 4 appointments. I got 2 consultations. I got people that's going to be sending pictures. I had another carpet cleaning company that they have something that one of their technicians made a mistake and messed up a lady's floor. I got to go look at that job Wednesday, and we're already booked out until Saturday. So anyway, guys, it's a little chilly, but let me show you what we got going today, guys. So again, we are in Buckhead, ATL, very high-end, area, and this is what we're going to be doing. We got about close to 1,000 square feet of wood floors, and Rodney is actually upstairs screening. So I just came out to assist them. I brought my equipment out. Also, I'm supplying the finish, and these are the floors that we're going to be screening today and recoating. Now I just noticed that big chunk. Might do a hard wax kit right there. So these are the floors right here, guys, that we are doing today. And also we're going to be doing the stairs. Kind of zoom in. You see all those little scuff marks? That's what the screening kind of knocks out. Little stuff like that. Also, I see a lot over here. See all those little surface scratches? So that's what the screening is going to remove today. Also, I got a very good review from the job I did yesterday in Tennessee. He was so happy with the results. Left me a great review on Google. And so let me show you guys right here. See that? That's when you know it's time for a good screen and recoat. Hey, Megan, come on. Hey, guys, this is Megan. She is the owner of Citrus Fresh Carpet Cleaning. And she is adding this wonderful service to her business. And she is actually located in Buckhead. Yeah. Me and Megan have been knowing each other for a while. And she's actually one of my best supporters. Yeah. So what we're doing is one of her technicians is upstairs, Rodney. He's actually been on a few jobs with me before. Yeah. So this is Megan, guys. She's a great colleague of mine. So this is her first screen to recoat. She's so excited to get these floors screen to recoated for her client. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring that buffer down, help Rodney bring it down. Let me show you what Rodney did. And Megan is going to screen and recoat the stairs. All right. He's wrapping it up. So you guys can see we got a really great abrasion on this floor. Let me show you something. You see this? See that color of that finish? That's oil base. Oil base ambers over time. If it was like a white, that's water base. Makes sense. All right. So we're going to put water base back on these floors. All right, guys, and that's Rodney right there. He's been on a few jobs with me before. Got a great abrasion. All right, guys. Oh yeah, this way. Hey, back upstairs. Like I always say, this process is going to really highlight any issues with the floors that we might have to correct, but it's also going to clean the floors and kind of give us an idea of how the finish is going to look as it's going down. That's looking good. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yep. Nice and smooth. You like that vibration of the body? That's it. Wow. Yes, ma'am.
It really does. I can't get over it.
Your first screen and recoat. High five. High five, Rodney. Rodney almost did the whole job by himself. Yes. Congratulations. Amazing. First screen and recoat. Citrus Fresh. God, they are too happy. Man, this floor looks amazing. This is the Pro Coat matte finish. Oh, this floor looks amazing. The homeowner is going to be ecstatic when they come home. Wow. And guys, that's what it's all about, man. You know, teaching the next person, especially those that value you. The stairs are done. Also, we had a catwalk hallway. Come look at the stairs, Meg.
I messed the stairs up. Wow. Oh, it looks like a new floor.
Yep. New floor.
I really see why you push matte now.
Yes.
It looks so
It just makes the floor look so natural. You can really see the characteristics of the floor.
Yeah.
Yep.
But I feel like it would highlight anything that, like, there's so much we can't see.
Yes.
Right now.
And also that, when you go with those lower sheens, you can see those beautiful characteristics in the floor even better. I see like right there, like those tiger stripes. Yes. Yeah. Because when you get those high sheens, all you see is sheen.
Yeah.
You really can't see the floor.
It just reflects so much light.
Yep. And I tell people, man, floors are natural species. Yeah, look at that.
It's beautiful.
Yes. Congratulations.
I can't believe it.
Many more to come.
Yeah. Today was a game changer. Seriously, today was a game changer for me. I had to go home to charge my phone.
Yep.
Usually it's like, are you okay? I was like, am I okay? I'm just on fire right now.
Yep.
This is incredible.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it.
My mom's friend from church, I was like, we're ready.
They're ready.
We're ready.
And like I said, you got the right guy. Rodney's ready.
Yeah, Rodney's amazing.
No lap lines. And you see how that technique I showed you, how coming back? That's what you, yep. Wall to wall, no lap lines. Floors look amazing.
I knew it was going to look good. I can't believe how much it transforms the space.
Yes.
Like, I don't even notice the stuff on the wall.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just like, the floors look so good.
Yep.
Wow. She's going to be so excited.
So excited.
She was geeking out already, just the videos I sent her.
Yep. Now wait till you send us some pictures. Wow.
Looks so good, Courtney.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Many more to come.